Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Rishabh. Here we dive deep into the world of programming. In this series, we'll be exploring the powerful and versatile C programming language. Whether you are a beginner looking to learn the fundamentals or an experienced programmer seeking to refine your skills, this comprehensive guide will take you on an exciting journey through the intricacies of C programming. Join us as we unravel the mysteries and unlock the potential of this timeless language. Episode 1: Introduction to C Programming. 1. Understanding the history and significance of C programming. 2. Setting up the development environment. 3. Writing your first Hello World program. 4. Overview of the C language syntax and structure. Episode 2: Variables, Data Types, and Operators. 1. Declaring and initializing variables. 2. Exploring various data types in C. 3. Arithmetic, relational, logical, and assignment operators. 4. Typecasting and its applications. Episode 3: Control flow and decision making. 1. Conditional statements, if, else, if, else. 2. Switch case statements and their usage. 3. Looping constructs, for, while, do while. 4. Working with break, continue, and go to statements. Episode 4: Arrays and pointers. 1. Understanding arrays and their implementation. 2. Manipulating arrays, accessing elements, insertion, and deletion. 3. Introduction to pointers and their significance. 4. Pointer arithmetic and memory management. Episode 5: Functions and modules. 1. Defining and invoking functions. 2. Function parameters and return values. 3. Recursive functions and their applications. 4. Modular programming, header files and function libraries. Episode 6: File handling and input-output operations. 1. Reading from and writing to files. 2. Creating, opening, and closing files. 3. File position and error handling. 4. Standard input-output functions in C. Episode 7: Memory management and dynamic allocation. 1. Static versus dynamic memory allocation. 2. Using malloc, calloc, realloc, and free functions. 3. Memory leaks and memory management best practices. 4. Debugging techniques for memory-related issues. Episode 8: Advanced topics in C programming. 1. Structures and unions, creating complex data types. 2. Pointers to functions and function pointers. 3. Preprocessor directives and macros. 4. Error handling and exception management in C. Episode 9: C programming best practices and optimization. 1. Coding standards and style guidelines. 2. Tips for writing efficient and optimized code. 3. Debugging techniques and tools. 4. Performance profiling and benchmarking. Conclusion: join us on this captivating journey through the world of C programming, where we'll equip you with the skills and knowledge to become a proficient C programmer. Whether you are interested in software development, embedded systems, or simply expanding your programming repertoire, mastering C will open doors to endless possibilities. Don't miss out on this opportunity to delve into one of the most influential programming languages ever created. Hit the subscribe button and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.